Alright guys, so you have the PlayStation 2 Slim and you have bought this PlayStation 2 HDMI dongle, but you don't have any signal. There are a couple of solutions for this, or better said, there can be a lot of problems like PlayStation 2 is not working at all, or the dongle is broken, but whereas most of the time it's a different problem. So let's cover these before you're going to say, hey, I'm going to throw it away, and it would be a shame, because most of the time this is going to be a different problem with the signal input and output. Okay. Take consideration to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, become the Wickedfamily, and let's go with the show. Okay, so the first thing that is possible that you're going to get the PlayStation 2 dongle, but you didn't get the USB cable that you just forgot to send you one. And yeah, this is going to be a problem because yeah, that is the reason why it doesn't work, because here at the side you can see we're having the connection that you need to connect. If you don't do this, you have a problem and you will have no signal whatsoever. So the first thing you always need to do is check out if this cable is connected like this, and you can use your USB at the front. So if you still tried it and you still have no, let's say you still have no juice, I would say it's not really likely possible that this will be the problem, and it's maybe something else. What you can also do is remove this one and just use a phone charger. So a phone charger can be something like this. This is just for my MoQ i7S. It's a very good one, 3 amps if I'm saying it correctly. Nevertheless, you can use it like this and you're just going to use a different power source. You can also get it from your television if you have a smart television. So if you use this, you just need to make sure that you're having some juice. And if this doesn't work, you can always get yourself a different cable. This is a high quality cable. Sometimes you're going to get these very short, low quality cables. Maybe something is broken inside. So you need to make sure that everything is just getting juice. So we always would say, get yourself a good cable, get yourself a good power supply, so you know 100% sure that this is not a problem. Okay, so this product has the option to send out analog and digital signal. So the first one is the old school cable. That's what we're going to do. We're going to connect it with the old school cable first on the television. I hope you have the possibility to do so. And then we're going to switch in the software to the component, because basically the HDMI uses this signal, and therefore is it set up on this cable connection. Yeah, that's the reason why you don't have any signal, because it doesn't recognize the dongle. Alright, so I've connected with the original cable. It's on the Scart Connection. Let's boot it up. And let's change out the connection method so we can use the HDMI connection. Okay, so let's do some old school capturing from the television. So what you can see over here, we're now in the menu. Go down, press X. As you can see, we're going into the menu itself. Go all the way down, not the screen size. What we're going to do, set the component video out, select it, put it on this selection. And that's the only thing that you need to do. Okay, go back. I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to replace it with a different monitor and HDMI. Alright, so everything has been connected. Let's boot it up. And if you did it right, you're going to have now signal. Okay, so this is the way how you need to do it. This is the way how you can fix your problem with the HDMI dongle if you don't have any signal. Or it works for me. Okay guys, so I hope this video helped you out. Consider subscribing to the channel, hit the little bell. So if you have still some questions, you can always drop it in the comments and I can see if I can help you out, or maybe somebody else. It would be great to have you in the Wicked family, and I hope I can help you out with this video. See you next time. Bye bye.